Hey Top Guns, Olga here. Today I'd like to share with you 5 websites for freelancers and remote professionals that I have tried myself and found useful, and perhaps you will find it useful too. Also, at the end of the video, I will provide you with a bonus of 25 more websites for freelancers according to DynoMapper and G2Crowd, though those on G2Crowd may be a little bit more IT specific. Okay, so let's get down to business. So first, it's an Upwork. So Upwork is one of the most popular, if not the most popular platform on the web. And you can totally find work there, both if you're a programmer or content writer or a salesperson. So basically any skills would be required there. But the competition is huge. You must be prepared for that. And also, it has some restrictions on registration, and it's getting a little bit complicated. Though I have my agency on Upwork and I work there, it has some restrictions and complications. It's really getting very hard to work on there, but still it's very popular and you can totally start with this one. So 2, it's Fiverr.com. So though this one is relatively new, it has all sorts of features that are not on Upwork. Like, it's very user-friendly and you can sell basically any service there and rate your service accordingly. And what attracts more freelancers and more clients to this platform is that this platform is really useful. It has useful articles, it provides free and paid courses for freelancers, and it provides promotion opportunities, so all this kind of stuff. And you should totally check it out. I love it and I'm sure you will love it too. So third is Flexcom.com. Now this one is not widely known, and this has kind of a limited functionality and limited choice of professions, of jobs that you can apply to, but it has both freelancing and remote opportunities, those who are looking for stable jobs. So if you're not sure what you should choose, what is best for you, what would work best for you, so either freelancing jobs or a stable part-time or full-time job, this one is the one to go with. But it has one minus, it is for US applicants only. So fourth, it's remote.com. Now this one is really nice, I like it very much personally. It provides remote opportunities, stable jobs, both part-time and full-time, and it provides opportunities worldwide. So though most job offers, job posts are for US applicants almost everywhere, but there are jobs for professionals worldwide. So if you're not sure that freelancing jobs would fit best for you, so then you should totally try out remote.com. You will have to spend some time shaping up your account, your profile according to your CV, but it is totally worth it. Now 5, it's one of my favorites. It's a great resource for those who consider themselves to be top 1 professionals in their industry. It's crossover.com. Now, Crossover hires only top 1% of talent worldwide, so across all the world. They hire professionals for Fortune 1000 companies, and hence the hiring process is monstrous. So you will spend hours on making their tests, so you'll spend hours on making voiceovers, making yourself be the best among all the competition. It's more like a tender to win a position, but it's totally worth it. Like, I enjoyed every minute I spent 8 hours on testing process, doing some tests. So, and I totally enjoyed it because, well, this kind of professionalism is rarely met, and I was very impressed. And so if you consider yourself to be a top professional, so you should totally check it out. Now I will also provide, as I promised, a list of 25 more resources that you might find useful. They are a little bit less crowded, but you may find work there. And come back if you need some motivation or some new tips. Make sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And good luck, Top Guns, and come back.